Welcome back, you guys. Mushroom hunting today, and sorry about the bad video quality. A couple ugly clips and cut off, and color looking kind of off and shakiness. So here we go.
I thought I recorded. I didn't record. I just turned it off. Oh man!
You think the best angle is just like?
It's like go low, low. But play around.
All I know is about lighting. That's because it's just fishing pictures I take.
Or take it off and then replace it somewhere else and take a picture. I used to do that. Take it off, place it somewhere different, and then take a different picture. Everything's brown. It's the same thing, but I'll give you a nicer picture because like it's right on the trail.
Oh.
So you get and better lighting too. At least you.
Wow, it just like erupted.
Yeah. And there's one more over there by that tree too. But that one looks nice though. It just standing on his own. Keep on seeing this white and yellow one. Still don't know what they are. Buried. Stepped on fly Garrett. Ooh, what's that? I see a lump. Come on, let it be something good. Or is it something bad? Oh, just a rusula. A big ol' rusula. Oh. Oh, I broke it.
It's a rusula.
It's peppermint taste or peppery taste.
That one, right?
Huh? You can eat it, but I don't.
Oh. I'll try it. Oh, never mind.
I don't know what those yellow ones are. Well, those are not rusula. There's one by your right feet. Right here. But I don't know. Nah.
The same one.
Yeah. Yeah, just funny that this tree is still producing my oysters I harvested last year too. Too high to get. Be underneath to catch your mushroom. Gonna get stuck. It's pretty stiff, dude. Pretty well, dude. But yeah, if we could just get that, ooh, that looks good though. What if I could just catch it?
Ready?
Go for it.
It's gonna fall.
It's gonna drop. I'm gonna miss it. It's gonna hit the floor. It's coming. Watch, the water drops gonna get in my eye. I'm gonna miss. Oh!
Damn it, Nia.
Sorry! Kind of waterlogged. Oh, that's an oyster though.
I'll eat it.
That's a nice oyster.
Into a little bit that fell off.
I don't know.
Easier if you had some rope.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, did I destroy it?
No, it's still good. Still good. Still edible.
It fucking exploded. Oh, there's the piece.
That's a big one right there though. That's a big size. Yeah, trying to like stick a hand on the base and just like shake it out. There you go. I think that's a open up hella big.
What?
I thought you were just gonna stick it in there and pull it out. Flip it upside down. Yeah, that's a Sue Ellis, I think. Yeah, it's a jack. Because you see how the pores are more spongy?
Yeah.
than it is what, little holes.
Mhm.
So that's a jack, but like you could tell there's like some bugs been eating it. But that is edible.
Okay, let's keep it.
It's just not flavorful.
Let's go.
Another good looking milk cap.
So my kayaks.
So it's coming down harder and harder. Rain, 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 rain. Get your knife out and then get it by the base. So get your knife out and then like just run it along the wood. Hold the mushroom, or probably like go from underneath. Yeah. Yeah, just hold parts of it and just slip the knife underneath and either cut up or cut down. And then it should just come right off. There you go. That's a nice big old oyster. Sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think those are honey mushroom. Yeah. If they're fuzzy, then they're honey. If they're not, then they might be deer. If the base or the stem is fuzzy, then it's honey. No. There's a good amount of Suellis out here. That one's a little beaten up. A little bit cleaner, but yeah.
I'm in the brook later.
Like some milk, huh?
I'm very careful not to break nothing.
So you can see there where I put a lid on it because I picked a little like thumb-sized porcini earlier and it was a nice little clean one. But I forgot to cover it and all the rain kept on falling down and I totally forgot that the basket is exposed. So all the rain kind of pretty much all waterlogged that porcini. So by the time I looked at it, I'm like, dude, it's not even good anymore. So I actually had to throw it out. But yeah, the rain kept on coming on and off. Stronger, lighter, and then yeah, you can see a whole bunch of evidence of people knocking down mushroom. People have been through here, so I think we might have been a few days late or something because there's a lot of empty holes and a lot of knocked down mushroom. But we tried, so we're still trying.
One here, another one, but it's so wet. Watch, if you pull the bottom, oh yeah, oh that might still be good. See, you see the porcini? See how the bottom? See how the pores are so tiny? That it's not like the jack.
Yeah.
So it's still good. That one should still be good. You see how tough it is? How it's like super sturdy. They're good, so you could just yank them out. You could just go side to side. It'll come out solid, just the way they are. Told you, dude. Just out in the middle by the trail. Just by the trail.
Whoa.
So if you just do a little cleaning, that one should still be good to eat. That's a porcini.
Amazing.
So I have some pretty bad video clips and a little camera moving here and there with the rain. I don't know whether the quality was so off color, but yeah, we found a lot of mushrooms, saw a lot of different ones, and we had a blast in the rain. So thank you guys for watching.